What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hopped LA Events on Tap,
episode 35.
covering all the awesome things happening in LA beer this week. So it's a surprise that we're even drinking it today after the Firestone Walker Invitational Beer Fest. But we had to cruise through Solvang and stopped at the back room at Valley Brewers, which is a really awesome speakeasy in the back of a homebrew supply shop in Solvang.
This place is super cool. You walk into the homebrew shop, walk through a bookcase style door into a great little beer bar, and the beer selection that they get is fantastic. Some of the best beer that you're gonna find here in Southern and Central California. We're sitting right out here on the patio, nice sunny day, very comfortable environment, and drinking some awesome beer. Right now, I'm drinking Imperial International Juice from Alvarado Street Brewing Company. This is a big New England style IPA, clocking in at 8%, and yes, it is extremely juicy. You almost chew on it a little bit, and it's that good. I'm gonna do it. What are you drinking?
Well, I went the light and refreshing route from Artifacts Brewing Co. It's their Mexican lager, and very straightforward. It is what it is, a very light, easy drinking, perfect beer for after a massive beer fest. Really liking this one right now. As he always does, steals my beer.
Very good.
So yes, we're heading back from the Firestone Walker Invitational Beer Festival. It's always a great time up there. A little bit hot, but nonetheless, some of the best beer in the country and the world being poured there. It was one hell of a time.
So we could tell you a little bit more about it, but we thought, let's show you instead.
Time to get into the events portion of the show, starting with our featured event happening Saturday, June 30th at 12 p.m. It's the Festival Obscura at the historic Sunnyside Cemetery in Long Beach.
So this is a beer festival that is a fundraiser to save Long Beach's oldest cemetery. They're gonna have beer, wine, cider, food, and local macabre arts. So it's gonna be spooky, it's gonna be a fun time, and it's for a good cause. And when's the last time you drank beer in a cemetery? Buy tickets now. We have a promo code, $5 off. Enter Hopped LA at checkout. Do it now, right now. We'll wait.
We'll wait and drink.
So kicking off this week on Tuesday, starting at 6 p.m., it's the Fogfather night with Beechwood Brewing at Tony's Darts Away in Burbank. So the Fogfather is a new hazy IPA series from Beechwood. The first one, single hop with Mosaic. The second, a double IPA with Mosaic and Citra. And the third is a hazy triple with Mosaic, Citra, and Galaxy. We've tried the first one and it's delicious. Highly recommend heading down to Burbank and trying these beers out.
Then on Wednesday, June 6th, starting at 3 p.m., LA Ale Works is having a big can release party for this year's Unity beer. Unity is a LA Beer Week collaboration beer featuring all of the independent breweries in Los Angeles. They all get together for one massive brew day and brew a very special beer for LA Beer Week. This year's release, it's actually two beers, a West Coast IPA and a East Coast Hazy IPA. Why two different styles? Well, turns out they had a little bit of a vote and it was split. Half of the brewers wanted to brew a clear West Coast style, half of them wanted to brew a hazy East Coast style. They just figured, why not both?
We win.
So check out LA Ale Works, Wednesday, June 6th. Try the brand new Unity beer. It'll obviously be around your local bottle shop and beer bars as well. Sounds like both of them are gonna be really good.
Then on Saturday, June 9th, starting at 1 p.m., it's the Boyle Heights Beer Fest in Boyle Heights. This is gonna be a really good beer fest. First of its kind for the neighborhood, featuring Boyle Heights' own Indie Brewing Co. and Dry River Brewing, along with 20 other local LA breweries. Gonna be unlimited beer. You're gonna be able to buy an unlimited taco pass for $10 extra. That sounds worth it alone. So beer, tacos, fun, all that stuff, just go.
If you're into fun,
Buy tickets now.
And then on Saturday, June 9th, starting at 11 a.m., Aero Lodge Brewing is having a really cool sounding 70s hip hop and disco funk party.
The Get Down.
Expect some can releases, some special in-house beers only, food, music, an art show as well, which local artists will be competing to work with Aero Lodge on a future can release design. So pretty cool stuff. Check out The Get Down, happening Saturday, June 9th.
Oh,
Got something special for us, huh?
we have gifts coming.
Daisy cutter from Half Acre.
Oh,
Awesome.
thank you.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Oh, man. So we just got a little gift from our friends here at the back room. Can of Half Acre's Galactic Double Daisy Cutter. Wow, you do not see a beer like this anywhere. Thanks to our friends here for sharing.
Yeah.
This is so good.
Very, very good. Nice little treat.
Getting right back into it. Sunday, June 10th, starting at 12 p.m., Mumford Brewing in downtown Los Angeles is having their 3-year anniversary shindig. This is going to be a great event. Multiple pouring stations set up, a bunch of special beer releases. Plus, they're going to have the In-N-Out truck there. So, In-N-Out, great Mumford beer. What better way to celebrate 3 years with them? Check it out.
Now getting into the preview section of the show. Starting with Thursday, June 14th, right before LA Beer Week, we are dropping our LA Beer Week collaboration brew with Indie Brewing Company. Yeah! And we're gonna have a little release party.
Woo!
Details coming soon, but save the date. We hope to see you guys there, drinking lots of this delicious beer
At Indie Brewing Company.
at Indie Brewing Company.
Then on Saturday, June 16th, it's the LA Beer Week Kickoff Festival going down at LA Center Studios. This event is amazing. We've said it before, we'll say it again, we'll keep saying it, you'll get sick of hearing us say it. It's gonna be a great event. We'll be there. We'll be selling some merch there. Our collab beer with Indie will be pouring, and so many other awesome beers from so many great breweries around LA and outside of LA. So you should definitely buy some tickets today. Get on it right now.
But wait, there's more.
We're giving away a pair of VIP tickets as well as some general admission tickets. Head over to hopla.com/LABW kickoff and enter now.
So that does it for this episode of Events on Tap. Thanks so much for tuning in. Time to down these beers, hit the road, head back to Los Angeles. Drink Indie.
And drink local.